What we're talking about today is we're going to the other side of the lawn. Things have moved around quite a bit. I'm actually outside doing stuff because it's nice. It's like 62 degrees. Oh, hold on. Hold on. It's about 16 degrees Celsius right now. Yeah, 16 degrees Celsius. I moved the 4.5 meter-ish trampoline to a new location, and that location is, let's take a look-sees, right there. Right there. Let's look at this engineering masterpiece. Pretty cool, huh? So I have it crossing the gully or the ravine, or I honestly don't even know what I've been calling it at all. But I got some 4x4s in the ground and strapped in. It's actually pretty sturdy. I'm going to get some longer, like, stake kind of screw-in things just to keep those 4x4s in place, because I did not like cement them in or anything. The big question now is, where's this playset thing gonna go? It's going to go where the trampoline was, maybe up into that corner right there. But we're gonna do maybe a caddy corner bit right through here, maybe a water slide coming off of the little play tower. I don't know. The wife probably won't agree to that, and frankly I don't want to either, because I don't want a lot of kids over at the yard. I just don't want to deal with that. This guy right here though, this little fence section's on its way down back to the wasteland. Trying out the bags of foam post set kind of stuff. I'm really looking forward though to the comments on how I have that trampoline placed over the whole gully thing. It's an ingenious idea. It's sturdy. It's structurally sound. It takes advantage of a space that's otherwise not usable by anything. And don't worry though, from a safety standpoint, I am putting some impact resistant gravel or like fall rated river rock underneath it, so if anyone does happen to bust through the net, they're gonna hit some really nice cushiony river rock that's not as hard as your traditional river rock, I promise. Okay, so that's honestly about it. It's just a quick update. I'm going to mow and get some actual footage now of, you know, breaking out the edger, landscape blade, getting all that for episode number 3 of The Shed. Now I want to get your all's opinions though. What do you all think about that trampoline location? Is it safe enough? Yes it is, don't worry about that. But no, more importantly, once that fence section goes straight off the house and there's no longer that little L-shaped deal, swing set kind of placements, things like that. It's just gonna be kind of your traditional, you know, tower and A-frame swing set coming off of there. Caddy corner, water slide, no water slide. I don't know. Let me know down below. Maybe I'll let y'all like help me build it, and we'll just kind of figure out a way to get input on that. Kind of like the HGTV Dream Home or whatever, where you know, everyone votes on something. I'll just start putting up polls and everyone will vote on what I want to do. That's actually a really good idea, and it'll be real and not fake. Or about as real as I can make it though. So hey, I have some chili to make. I don't know why I'm making chili when it's 62 degrees outside. Oh wait, I'm sorry, 16 degrees Celsius. But that's what I'm doing today. I haven't had any in a while. Gotta mow, gotta get that ready, gotta do all sorts of crazy stuff. So thank you all for watching. Trampoline's in a new spot. It's windy outside. Have a good one, man, y'all. We'll see you.